Okay, so in last lecture, we have covered the Boolean expressions and use of if loop in the program. Okay, we have just started with if loop concept. At the same time, I shared with you one link for the examination, right? So we'll quickly go through the questions from the examination and then we will start for today's discussion. Okay, is screen visible to all clearly? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, let's check. The first question was, what is the correct Python file extension? That means when you are going to create a program file, so in which extension your file is getting saved. If you remember in the very first lecture, I discussed with you. Okay, I will go to the online compiler here. So we have say main.py. Okay, this is Python programming online compiler. If you check here, okay, माझा माउस जिथे पॉइंट होतं तिथे चेक करा तुम्ही. main.py. This .py is nothing but the extension of the programming language. म्हणजे ही file, if I wish to save in my computer system, so it will be get saved with main.py name, and this .py is nothing but the extension of my file. Similarly, if you wish to check the extension of other file, let's say this is Excel, right click on the file, go to the properties. जर तुम्हाला दुसऱ्या कुठल्या फाईलचे एक्सटेन्शन बघायचं असेल, then how you are going to see, right click on the file, go to the property, in general tab here, type of file, Microsoft Excel worksheet, and if you check it here, .xlsx, that means it is Excel file. Okay, so this is alternate way how you can check the extension of the file, but you should know, like C programming, your file is going to be saved with .c extension. In C++, it is saved with .cpp, and in Python, it saved with .py extension. Okay, so the answer for the first question was .py. Okay, now I will move to next question. In the following code, n is assigned a or an value. n is assigned a value. म्हणजे n ला कुठली व्हॅल्यू असाइन झालेली आहे. So who will tell me the answer of this question? Yes, anyone from you? Let it be correct or wrong. So just give answer. Okay, one of you have given me correct. In a chat box, you have given the answer string. Correct. See, n is equal to 5. Correct. But this 5 is in the single quote. So in Python, we know whatever the things we are giving in single quote, double quote, or triple quote, it will be considered or it will be treated as string values. त्या कुठल्या असणार आहेत? String values or string literals. Okay. If it is simple case like n equal to 5, that means without single quote, that means 5 is an integer. That is 5 का असेल, integer value असेल. But now in this case, for single quote, double quote, or triple quote, we treat these values are of string type. Okay, so the answer is, correct answer is string. Correct. Now, what will be the output of following code? What will be the output of following code. Now see the code. A is equal to 3 point. Just a minute. A is equal to 3.44. B is equal to 3. Now result is equal to A plus B. Result is equal to A plus B. What is A? 3.44 and B is 3. So answer will be 6.44. आता हे माझं answer आले 6.44 and I have stored in the result. And what I am going to print, मी इथे result print नाही करत आहे. What I am going to print? The type of result. Results कुठल्या type ची value आहे. Whether it is in the form of character or string or integer or float. Okay. If you remember the implicit typecasting, हे जर तुम्ही implicit typecasting जर बघितलं असेल म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात असेल, so त्या केस मध्ये काय होतंय, if you have integer and the float, so implicitly it is going to be converted into the float. पण float ची व्हॅल्यू ही जर तुम्हाला integer कन्वर्ट करायची असेल, then you should have to mention int and in bracket your variable. बरोबर. पण आता इथे काय होतंय, implicit conversion होते ह्या इंटिजरचं कशामध्ये, फ्लोट मध्ये. So the answer is 6.44. And if you check the type of this result, so it will be class float. Correct. So the correct answer is class float. Now next, I think on the same day we discuss about this plus and multiplication sign operator. So plus we are going to use for two different ways. One is for addition and second is for concatenation of the string. And this multiplication, one is for multiplication and second, yes, second use of this is power or that many number of time occurrence of the string. So याच्यातलं correct answer कुठला आहे?
Option B.
Option B. Yes, ABC one time, this ABC two time, and this ABC three time. Okay, so it goes multiple time. A B C D E F G H I हे होणार नाही. So I have given as an option, पण तसं काही होत नाही किंवा नुसतं ABC ही राहत नाही. So power, that means this multiplication, it occurs in two different ways. What are two different ways? If I'm having the integer, so it will multiply. If I'm having the string, it will repeat the string that many number of time. Okay, so this was the question. Now next question, what is the correct output of the following code? What is the correct output of the following code? Yes, who will tell me the answer?
B. 7.
Okay, yes, is there any other answer?
Option C.
Option? Yes.
43.
43.
First option.
Okay, first option. Now I have three different options and only one is remaining, that is error. See, just now we discussed, आत्ताच आपण बघितलं आहे. Plus operator, it has two different functionalities as like of this multiplication. आता इथे check करा. 4 is whether it is integer or string. 4 हा integer आहे की string आहे?
String.
String. Why? Because it is included in quotes. हा काय झालाय की 4 हा single inverted commas किंवा quotes मध्ये काय आहे, include आहे. So 4 is not a number, it is a string. Similarly 3, it is a string. We are looking for result. Now string 2 plus string 1 म्हणजे आधी काय येणार, 3 येणार, because str2, what is the value of string 2? 3 plus string 1 4. Now as both values are string, so we know it will combine both values or it will concatenate both values. Now 3 4, here I am having the option 3 4. Okay, so इथे जर मी उलट केलं, str1 plus str2, so in that case 4 3 will be the correct option. 7 will not be there as both are the string. If I have not given the single inverted commas, in that case only 4 plus 3 it will give me the 7. समजते सगळ्यांना? Hello. 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 Okay, getting your replies. There is one student, Rohit Dhotre. If he is one of your friend, please ask him to write TY division and roll number, so I can allow him. Okay, please ping him personally and like to follow the syntax. Okay. Now next question. See, which of the following would output the line? Which of the following would output the line? म्हणजे
All of these. Option 4.
option. Okay, all of this. Okay, I will go. Yes, I will go through the question first. Which of the following would output the line? म्हणजे output line काय असेल? म्हणजे कशाची output line असेल ही? Hello world. Sorry. To the screen output. Now, if you check, I think maybe you have practiced it, right? Hello in single inverted comma, as it is a string, it can be accepted with single quote. In double inverted commas, also string can be accepted. In this way, like hello in double quotes plus, that means it is going to combine next. Here I have given the blank space, as it is blank space is there in. Okay, I will move to next. Yes, as it is here blank space, so here double inverted comma without value, double inverted comma without value, that means again there is a space and next word is world. So all those three options are correct. The correct answer is all of these. Okay, so now we'll move to next question. Which of the following names can be used as a valid variable name? At the valid variable names, so also we called it as identifiers. यालाच काय म्हणतात valid variable name किंवा valid function name किंवा valid class name. So all these are what? Identifiers. And what are the rules for identifiers? Identifiers साठी rules कुठले? It should not be start with number, and it should not be start with any special symbol except underscore. Underscore सोडून दुसरा कुठले special symbol असेल, as like percentage, dollar, or hash, or at the rate, or exclamatory sign, or star. Okay, so if these symbols are present at the very first letter, so such names are not valid, or we call it as invalid names. Okay, but underscore can be accepted, and reserved keywords are not allowed. If you check here, if if is a reserved keyword, but here underscore is present, so it is not a single word, it is joint. हा पूर्ण word काय झाला? if underscore not. So this is not a reserved keyword, so it can be acceptable. So the correct answer is both of these. The next question, a string literal is surrounded by. Yes, a string literal is surrounded by single, double, triple, all of these.
All of these.
All of these, just we have seen. But what is difference? Single and double quotes, both used for yes only single line string. एकाच लाईन मध्ये जर स्ट्रिंग व्हॅल्यूज असतील तर त्याच्यासाठीच आपण काय यूज करतो? सिंगल आणि डबल कोट्स. ट्रिपल कोट्स वी यूज्ड फॉर multi line string values. Okay, so the correct answer is all of these. Next, what is equivalent to the expression 2 star 3. Yes. What is
Option
the
A.
answer?
Third option.
Yes. Any other guess? Any other guess? See, this double star will be treated for your power. This single star is for multiplication. Double star is there for your power. Okay, just we'll go to here. See, I was typing in C++ compiler. So here I will use if you check or okay, I will not write this way. Whatever the syntax I have given to you, okay, directly I will use print 2. If you check 8 and if you go to the problem statement, what is the equivalent expression? 2 into 2 into 2. लक्षात घ्या इथे डबल मल्टिप्लिकेशन साइन असेल म्हणजेच ते काय झाले त्याचा पॉवर. आता 2 चा पॉवर 3. What is the power of 2? That is 3. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. If I write it here, let's say 25. जे थोडक्यात आता इथे 3 दिले म्हणजे काय असेल हा क्यूब असेल. But if you give 4, that means 25 in multiplied 25 multiplied 25 multiplied 25. Okay, 625 into 4 because 25 cube is बरोबर का 625 आणि त्याचा परत रेस टू 25 मग हे इतके येईल आन्सर. ओके, सो ही जी काय असते डबल मल्टिप्लिकेशन साइन नंतर व्हॅल्यू ही काय असते आधीच्या बेस नंबरचा पॉवर. ओके, सो you need to remember this. So the correct answer is 2 into 2 into 2. Now the next is, what will be the output of the following line? Yes, who will tell me this answer? What will be the
Option
output?
7. 11.
Okay, is there any other guesses?
Sir. Option B.
Okay, so I will tell you for remaining how it executes. हे execute कसं होते? The highest importance is given to first brackets. Bracket मध्ये जे काही value असतील. Okay, if you have seen, there is certain rules to evaluate expression. So this is first rule. If I'm having a bracket in my calculation, so bracket are going to evaluate first, then multiplication, and then your plus, minus, or any other operation. Okay, so if you check 10 minus 4, that is 6. 6 into 2, 12, minus 1, 11. So you will get the answer 11. For you, I will type it once again here. Print, now in bracket 10 minus 4 into 2 minus 1. Okay, so if you check, it gives me 11. का तर इथे बघा आधी हे bracket is going to evaluate first, then the answer of this bracket into 2, as it is the number is 2 here, so 6 into 2, 12, and then the rest option. आता जर इथे अजून एखादा जर ब्रॅकेट असेल, ओके, तर काय होणार, ते ब्रॅकेट्स काय होणार, आधी एक्झिक्यूट होणार. इथे जर सपोज ब्रॅकेट असेल तर हे आधी ब्रॅकेट एक्झिक्यूट होणार, नंतर त्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड देन सबस्ट्रॅक्शन. ओके, सो the highest importance is given for here the brackets, then the next operation multiplication, and then the next as per the sequence, if you have addition, if you have subtraction, likewise. Okay, so the answer is 11. Okay, just now I seen one message from one of you, answer 7. So now I forget about which question. So I have messaged you question number, whether we are talking about the current question or the previous or any other question. Yes, for this question answer is the 11. But just now I seen the chat box, one of the student have mentioned 7, but I'm not getting for which question. Is it for the same question, or previously we have one option here 7, or are you talking about this question? Roll number 19.
Yes, sir.
Yes, are you talking about this current question? Answer is 7, or the last question just now we discussed? कुठल्या क्वेश्चन बद्दल तुम्ही आन्सर 7 म्हणताय?
सर याच बद्दल.
ओके, या क्वेश्चनला परत एकदा बघा. Now we'll go to the base again. See, this is not a integer value, it's a string value. आता ही स्ट्रिंग व्हॅल्यू आहे हे कशावरून ठरवणार? बेस्ड ऑन द सिंगल कोट्स, डबल कोट और ट्रिपल कोट. इफ आई एम हैविंग अ वैल्यू inside single quote, double quote or triple quote, so this value will be treated as string value. 4 is a string value and 3 is a string value. आता ह्या दोन्ही स्ट्रिंग आहेत, हे काही नंबर नाही आहेत, लक्षात घ्या. नंबर असेल तर त्यांची ऍडिशन होईल. जर शब्द असतील किंवा वर्ड असेल तर हे वर्ड्स काय होतात, एकमेकाला कनेक्ट होतात. आता कनेक्ट कुठल्या सिक्वेन्सने होतात, जसा सिक्वेन्स तुम्ही इथे यूज केला असेल. इफ here, if you check it here, the sequence I use like str2 plus str1. Now what is the value of str2? String 3. And what is the value of str1? It is string 4. म्हणजे एक अक्षर 3 प्लस अक्षर 4. ओके, आता ह्या दोघांचं काय होणार, कॉम्बिनेशन होणार, कंबाईन होणार, 3 नंतर 4. ओके, सो आन्सर इज 3 4. ओके, बट इफ it is in the reverse order like str1 plus str2, so the answer would be 4 3. okay, इथे जर नंबर असतील, नुसता 4 असेल किंवा नुसता 3 असेल, म्हणजे सिंगल इनव्हर्टेड कॉमा किंवा डबल इनव्हर्टेड कॉमा किंवा ट्रिपल इनव्हर्टेड कॉमा मध्ये इथे जर नंबर्स म्हणजे नंबर्स असतील फक्त, म्हणजे इनव्हर्टेड कॉमाज यूज केलेले नसतील किंवा कोट्स यूज केलेले नसतील, तर त्या केसमध्ये यू आर करेक्ट, the answer would be 7. But as I have used here quotes, so it is not a number, it's a string. ह्या काय स्ट्रिंग आहेत, आणि स्ट्रिंग मध्ये जर प्लस ऑपरेटर यूज केला असेल तर तो कशासाठी असतो, वी आर जॉइनिंग द टू स्ट्रिंग और मेकिंग कॉन्केटिनेशन ऑफ द टू स्ट्रिंग. ओके, so this was related with the questions and answers. Okay, just a minute. We'll go to quickly some analysis part. .python, you have made it a correct option. In the second, you have mentioned integer, most of you. Correct option is string. Just a minute. Okay. Unfortunately, most of you have mentioned it's an integer. N is equal to 5 in single quote. So it's not a integer, it's a string. Again, most of you have given a string value. Okay. So again, it was incorrect. What is the correct output? See, most of you have not means check the value whether it is a string or whether it is a integer. So again, almost 32% students have mentioned the answer 7. Others इथे ज्यांनी 43 दिलंय सो अँड 34 दिलंय हे तुम्हाला कळालंय की ती स्ट्रिंग आहे बट ज्यांनी 43 दिलंय सो यू हॅव नॉट गॉन थ्रू द सिक्वेन्स इथे तुम्ही सिक्वेन्स चेक केली नाही तिथे मी काय यूज केलं होतं str2 प्लस str1 तुम्हाला इथे समजलंय की त्या स्ट्रिंग व्हॅल्यूज आहेत बरोबर ह्या 43 हे जे कोण 15 स्टुडंट आहे त्यांना कळालंय की ती स्ट्रिंग व्हॅल्यू आहे बट यू हॅव नॉट चेक द सिक्वेन्स तुम्ही ती सिक्वेन्स चेक केली नाही okay so that is how you got incorrect here most of the student in 36 around 40% as per regular like hello world you accepted but hello world again it is a string so single quote double quote it is allowed this way it is also allowed so the correct option was all of these okay which of the following is a valid yes one option you have 28% given the first option that is also correct 10% student also given this second option but the correct option is both of these because just now we discussed the rules of identifier तो number ने start होत नाही reserved keyword नसतो आणि other than special characters त्याच्यामध्ये use होत नाही okay so these are the 3 basic rule you need to remember for name ते व्हेरिएबलचा असू देत क्लासचा असू देत किंवा फंक्शनचा असू देत कशाचे नाव असू देत सो the identifier should follow these 3 rules okay all of this is a correct answer here triple okay correct okay so is there any doubt here in the response काही डाउट्स आहेत का तुम्हाला hello am I audible hello
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay so do you have any doubts in these questions
No, sir.
okay but I got only 90 response if you check here on the screen almost 1 week is over I have sent you this in a last week last Saturday then we had one session so on Monday I circulated it again but I got only 90 response see make sure now the response now only I have not accepted I'm not going to accept any of the response here onward see 1 week is more than enough if you have only 10 to 15 questions here okay only 15 questions in the MCQ so hardly it takes 15-20 minutes okay so if you are not doing it through the 1 week duration so it is difficult me for to give you mark मला तुम्हाला मार्क द्यायला थोडस अवघड होईल. क्वेश्चन जास्त अवघड नाही आहेत. यू नीड टू अटेम्प्ट द टेस्ट, दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. काही डाउट्स असतील, वी विल क्लिअर इट ड्युरिंग द लाईक डिस्कशन as like we discuss it today. If I'm going to circulate it the question again, so we will discuss it once again. ज्यावेळेस मी सर्क्युलेट करेल त्यावेळेस परत आपण डिस्कस करूयात. ओके, सो नो नीड टू वरी, बट यू नीड टू अटेम्प्ट. मेक शुअर युअर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. ओके, तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सला पण सांगा की टेस्ट ज्या आहेत त्या अटेम्प्ट करा. येट आय हॅव नॉट क्लोज द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ दिस लॅब टेस्ट 1. लॅब टेस्ट साठी जे तुम्हाला अपलोड करायचे प्रोग्राम्स, सो येट आय हॅव नॉट सी I have enabled this. It is accepted. Okay, so those who have not yet uploaded your answers, okay, the screenshot of the problem statements, so you can upload it by today. So 50%, 50. Okay, out of 77, if you check, I received only 77 response from your class. Out of that, it's a 50-50. That means 35-36 or 38-37 responses from both. B division 39 response, A division 38 response. If you check the class strength, it is more than 70 for both class. Okay, so make sure those who are not yet uploaded, you can upload it by today. Make sure your friends also able to upload these answers by today. Otherwise, it won't be considered later on. Okay, just okay. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we move to now program? It's 10:55. So we'll move to program. Okay. So is screen visible to all? सगळ्यांना स्क्रीन दिसते का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Now check. We have start with unit number 3 in last lecture. Boolean values, conditional executions, loop, list processing, logical and bitwise operations. Okay. We have start with the first point, making decision in Python. But to make decision, we should know about Boolean expression. So who will tell me what is Boolean expression? आपण लास्ट लेक्चरला बघितले हे बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन कशाला म्हणतात किंवा कुठल्या एक्सप्रेशनला बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन म्हणतात. येस, विल टेल मी. ज्या एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये आउटपुट आपल्याला एकतर ट्रू किंवा फॉल्स असेल, म्हणजे कंडिशन ही ट्रू किंवा फॉल्स असेल, त्या टाइपच्या एक्सप्रेशनला काय म्हणतात? बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन म्हणतात. And if you remember this, Boolean expression is used in the loop statements. Okay, now समजलंय का आता? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll go to that part. See, for making decisions, you should know what is Boolean expression. The expression which will have true or false values, so we call such expression as Boolean expression. If you check this 5 greater than 6, whether this condition is true or false, the condition is false. That means this expression we called it as Boolean expression. ह्याचा काही रिझल्ट येत नाही. ह्याचा रिझल्ट कशामध्ये असतो? एक तर हे दिलेलं एक्सप्रेशन खरं आहे किंवा खोटं आहे. म्हणजेच काय, एक तर ट्रू असेल किंवा फॉल्स असेल. सो असे जे काही आन्सर्स येतात आउटपुट मध्ये, तर त्या टाइपच्या एक्सप्रेशनला काय म्हणतात? बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन म्हणतात. ओके. In last lecture also we have seen comparison operators. So less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. Okay, so this we have seen all this part. Again, we have seen two difference. Okay, assignment and equal to. Assignment म्हणजेच काय? If, okay, I will erase this part. A is equal to 5. Here I am going to print. Okay, I will check if A exactly equal to 5. Okay, I hope you are remembering the syntax of if statement. Condition is true. Okay, so A is equal to 5 म्हणजे हा 5 काय झालाय? A या व्हेरिएबलला असाइन झालाय. आणि हिअर आय एम चेकिंग द कंडिशन वेदर A is exactly equal to 5 म्हणजे A या व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू जी मी आधी दिली ही खरंच इक्वल टू 5 आहे का? इक्वल टू म्हणजे इट गोइंग टू चेक द इक्वॅलिटी. इथे नुसतं इक्वल टू असेल तर इट इज गोइंग टू चेक असाइनमेंट. ही राईट हँड ऑपरंड इज गोइंग टू असाइन टू लेफ्ट हँड ऑपरंड. The value of right hand operand is going to assign to value of left hand operand. In this case, equal to in this case equal to the left hand right hand operand is going to compare with left hand operand. हा right hand operand हा left hand operand बरोबर काय होतं? कंपेअर होतं. कधी? If I use the double equal to. If I use single equal to, that means the right hand operand is going to assign to the left hand operand. And if I run this program,
else ची कंडिशन दिली
no. See, we are looking only for, just a minute, I refreshed the browser. I'll type it once again. Sorry. We'll go to that else part as well. Else part कडे पण जाऊयात आपण. पण त्याच्या आधी if बघूयात. Then we'll check why we are using if else other part. Okay. True. I will write only true now. I will not take much time. Okay, if you check output, it is true. Okay, output काय झालं? Print true. कारण का? Because this, when the if condition is true, then and then only this will execute. Otherwise, now check. I will move to next line. Print outside. I will type only outside. If this condition is false, now I will make it a is equal to 6, and here I am checking the value of a variable with equal to 5. That means I'm comparing the value of a with 5. If this condition is false, it will not print true, it will print outside. Check. It print outside because here it is compared the value and here it assigns the value. And here value का ऐसा है 6 is not equal to 5. That means here I have compared equal to, but it is not equal to. So the condition is false. It will not execute this statement. It will execute the statement outside of this if body. Okay, so here we discuss this. If Boolean expression is true, then body of if statement executes. If Boolean expression is false, the body of if statement is skipped. Okay, if you read it carefully again. तर त्यावेळेस इफ स्टेटमेंटची बॉडी काय होते, एक्झिक्यूट होत नाही, ती स्किप होते. स्किप होते म्हणजेच काय, त्याच्यानंतरचे जे काही स्टेटमेंट्स असेल दे आर इट इज गोइंग टू बी एक्झिक्यूट बिकॉज दिस कंडिशन इज नॉट ट्रू. ओके, आता हे झालं कशासाठी, ट्रू साठी. ओके, आय हॅव गिवन यू वन प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट इन द लॅब टेस्ट टू अपलोड इट. सो व्हॉट वॉज दॅट, ते कुठलं होतं प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट सांगा मला, इफ यू रिमेंबर. Okay, I will go to problem statement, open.